Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some delicious Sweet Baby Ray's pulled chicken. So let's go ahead and get on into it, guys. So first you're going to need 1 teaspoon of garlic, followed by 1 tablespoon of butter, and a half onion. We're going to also add our raw chicken into the Instapot and start the seasoning process. So we're gonna add a half a tablespoon of parsley, garlic powder, onion powder, and a half a tablespoon of seasoning. We're gonna add 1 cup of water and this barbecue seasoning and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. On your Instapot, you're going to select the poultry setting, and this will set your timer to 15 minutes. So just add the lid and let that cook. Now that the chicken is done, it is so easy to just shred the chicken apart. So we're just going to use our tongs and a fork to pull that chicken. So now it's time to add the Sweet Baby Ray's. I am using the hickory and brown sugar and just mix that all in. And I'm going to be adding a splash of mustard. Not too much, guys. Put it on one, and you're done. It's time to plate. So tonight we decided to use lettuce wraps instead of bread, just so that we can have a nice, delicious, healthy meal. Well, this was my first time making it in the Instapot, and it turned out excellent. So if you guys like this video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and come back for more videos. Okay, bye.